Today we're making Chicago style hot dogs, but I forgot the relish, so forgive me. As much as I like to use the ones I wanted, these aren't the right ones. They're just standard Frankfurts from a packet made of pork. Maybe beef might work, but yeah, when you cook them, you want your little wing wangs to be that sort of colored as you see. That was on probably like medium high. So probably at this, honestly, just if it's this side, cut it in half. If it's like a big pickle, just cut into quarters lengthways. But you want to fill up the whole length of the hot dog. They're hot peppers, allegedly. Alright, so trick is microwave the bun. If you don't want to toast, go the long way out of toasting. Don't cut here, cut like on the side because you can fill more and it's much easier. But possibly not as aesthetic, but that's not why we're here. Hot dog. And here, a couple slices of tomato. Whatever this stuff is. It's celery salt. I don't know why I'm supposed to put it on, to be honest. It's already pretty salty as it is, but yeah, it's basically salt and celery seeds mixed together. Obviously, I was cutting corners when I'm not toasting the bread, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Grab a pickle, some chili, some peppers, and then lastly, Mama so full from that's the problem.
What? I don't understand none of that.
ASMR time.
This is a form of porn. Like some people would fetishize this or something. Gross.
That's pretty good. I know some of you hate this, but much needed color. You know, a bit generous with the celery salt. It's actually pretty good. I'm just going to eat the whole hot dog. Two things not quite right. I didn't buy the right hot dog. It doesn't have the snap. You know how where the skin is, and it's like taut, so when you bite into it, it makes a crunchy sound. It doesn't have that. It's just like one of those skinless ones, but it's all I could get. And I don't have pickle relish, which sucks. Cause it's pretty good. It's basically like a Costco hot dog, but like with tomatoes, pickles, and chili. You can probably experiment with like putting like cheese or like some sort of pulled pork on the hot dog. People who hate tomato just like Eat your tomato.